What's up guys? Today we're going to be repairing this waterlogged Nerf gun that we found in the woods, and we'll show you in a couple quick steps on how to repair it. You can really hear the dirt and debris that's inside of it when I shake it. So let's crack it open and see what's inside. So since there's no screws in the gun, we're actually going to have to use a drill press vise to crack it open like a nut. You can hear it kind of cracking a little bit. It may damage the plastic a little bit, but it'll at least get us inside. To aid in opening, you can also use a tool with like a little metal edge, like a letter opener, or something else to try to pry open at the seams. Okay, so now all we have to do is isolate all the components so we can clean them all, and then we can assemble a gun, put new grease on it, and replace any parts that need replaced. So you have to pull the trigger off, trigger spring off, the air chamber, this front muzzle piece, and there's a little pin and white trigger piece there, and that should be all the pieces. The rest of it is just dirt, but yeah, this gun's definitely gonna need some cleaning. Alright guys, now that all the pieces are cleaned, we can reassemble the Nerf gun. Just to clean everything, basically just use soap and water just to clean all the big plastic pieces. I removed the air restrictor out of the barrel so you can see that little hole in there. That was a little bit difficult. You don't have to do that, but I recommend it to make the darts shoot farther. This spring, it's a little small. I mean, we cleaned it up with a wire brush and stuff. We could upgrade it to a larger spring. It's not necessary, but that would help it shoot better. And then make sure you clean the gasket up really nicely so the air chamber is sealed. And then, yeah, I mean, the only thing, make sure you clean the spring up with a wire brush. Basically, just really any wire brush will clean it up. But yeah, just make sure all the pieces are clean and we're ready to reassemble. Alrighty, now we're ready to reassemble the gun. So first what we're going to do is assemble this stick part. Just put the white part in there, grab the screwdriver, and then that will go in the barrel like so. However, we need to make sure that we're just using petroleum jelly, or really any type of lubricant, and just put a very good amount in there, and then just want to completely coat this piece to make sure the air chamber is completely sealed and lubricated. Alright guys, just a quick reminder, don't forget about the spring before you put the white piece in the gasket on like me. Just remember to do that so it can actually fire. Make sure you put the muzzle on first. Right there. And put the barrel in right there. Make sure the back piece lines up. Something good to test it out. So you can see that when this cocks back, this little white piece holds it. And then be careful because sometimes this can fling up, and then when you pull the trigger, it shoots. So that should be ready to reassemble. All we have to do next is just put this piece on and we're good to go. Just outside to test the range of it, see which darts shoot the best, and see how good it is. So first, just the regular Nerf dart. Shoots about 20 to 30 feet. Now the orange dart. Much less, maybe only 20 feet. And the red dart, which is the half-length dart. About the same as the full length Nerf dart. So it's definitely not the farthest shooting gun, definitely because of the small spring size, but I mean, it's upgradable. We might upgrade the spring in the future, but it's a nice little dart gun that we found in the woods and it actually shoots now, so yeah. Cool, make sure you guys drop a like on the video and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you on the next video.